Hi Ariana, this is the list of missing assignments that I pull up in Skyward for you. You can see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing assignments and 1 missing assessment. So let's look through these one by one. Here is your biomimicry discussion. So let's go into Canvas and find biomimicry discussion. And then we'll find your name, Ariana Cook. There's no score. When I look at Speed Grader, that helps me to grade what you've submitted, this is what I get. This student does not have a submission for this assignment. There's no submission history here, so that tells me you have not submitted anything for this assignment. Okay, let's look at the next one. Adaptations Quiz 1. So let's go back to the grade book. Where is it? Adaptations Quiz 1 right here. Okay, and we'll go to Ariana Cook. Right here, there's no grade. And then also when I go to Speed Grader to see your submission history, again, there's no submission history, and it says this student does not have a submission for this assignment, which tells me you have not submitted anything through Canvas. Okay, let's look at your list again. COVID-19 discussion. It's right here, COVID-19 discussion. Find your name. Nothing. So that's your name. Nothing. And again, in Speed Grader, no submission. Let's look at your list again. Cloning discussion. Looks like there's a pattern here with the discussions that you're not getting turned in. So here's the cloning discussion. Let's go find your name. Again, there's no score. When I go to Speed Grader, the student does not have a submission for this assignment. And then finally, the last one is don't get the wrong message. That was an early assignment. It was actually one we started in class. I wonder. Yeah, that was one we started in class. It was a worksheet and you needed to take a picture of it and send it to me. So you probably need, it wasn't through Canvas, you probably need to look through your notebook and find that one because there's no score for you for that in Canvas. Okay? So actually, Ariana, that one, look, says term 3. So that one you can't turn in anymore anyway. But work on these 3 discussions that you missed, please. If you think you did them, you didn't. You must not have submitted at the end or something like that. So if you need help learning how to submit your discussion assignment on Canvas, look at my video that I posted this week. It tells you what to click on to post a response for a discussion. All right, hope that helps.